After careful reflection, I wish to state that come 2027, I will not defend my seat on the current party ticket. I will later, at a certain stage, communicate the platform which I will present myself to the electorate.
Oikaine ta KANG'ATA wa marua. Wari kumana na marua maria andikire President Uhuru Kenyatta akimwira maundu matirathie wega. Umuthi akioneka kwandika magi, rita riri akioneka kwandikira President William Ruto.
Riu moka Murang'a makajia kundindika juge my stand. Okay, ndiredete to ni ndiraga would want just to first concentrate maundu maria ndireka Murang'a no riu mai kinya handu riu ndakiuga riu di handu mathima kijambagia ati ndi mundu uhithaga kandi ndi mundu koragwo ukonsiraga maundu riu ndakiuga fine gukiuga na muthenya wa muthe ndakiuga ati ndiga defend na kiama kia UDA ni ndu aitumisha ndaheana.
Governor Irungu KANG'ATA akinyiriirie itua ria gwithamba kiama kia UDA mwaka wa 2027 kumana na kirio igite ni gutindikwo ni thiomo cia president makienda akindire utongoria wa Ruto na oho kuona thirikari ikierekeria ruriri rwake maundu-ini matagiriire.
For the last few days the president has been in Murang'a, and every time when I go there I'm being pressured to endorse programs, to endorse him. Even the pressure has come publicly, including my friend Kimani Ichung'wah. They have even suggested that I'm not sick, which I felt is not fair, because truly it is true of a problem. I felt that's too much. They have even reached to a certain stage that I thought if I don't do this, people will start saying I'm a cunning politician. So I said, okay, fine. Let me talk the truth.
Ona kuri uguo Governor Irungu KANG'ATA ndanoiga akarugama na kiama kiriku indi ni orotete mung'ethaniro akimera magie na kioneki kiega kia uria mangienda gwikira bururi.
Mheshimiwa Rigathi. Okay, ona toke assume ni akigatirwo na tukienda kurora gitumi kiu. Mheshimiwa Rigathi, why would you use violence? Haria uthaya. Ekwoguo akabatira. Maike ikarite violence igeko Kariobagi. Ekwoguo akabatira. Tugikarite my governor mwenzangu gutoa Matangi ageko violence akabatira. Yani gashira kare ya Jubilee yatugeririe tuta UDA noko thirikari eno irageria andu ikiririkanaga ati gashira kau ni gatumire kiama kiu kigie hinya riu tha ici opponents a UDA maragerio gashira kau makabatira.
KANG'ATA heanite murugamo uyu mathaa manini thutha wa gukorwo rigongona-ini ria kanitha na President William Ruto mwena wa Murang'a.
His Excellency the President has always told us that the people are supreme, and thank you for that statement. And therefore, my responsibility is to adhere to what people have told me. And in light of that, and because I've tried my best to have these issues resolved internally, I have had a candid discussion with His Excellency the President, one-on-one, where we shared these ideas, but we did not reach what we call full convergence.
Murugamo uyu wa Governor KANG'ATA ukioneka gukorwo ari igutha inene hari President William Ruto uria nyiti mbaru wake uthiite na mbere na gukundera mwena wa kirima riandirira riri rikihana ta cumbi ukuongererwo thiini wa kironda no nake KANG'ATA aroiga niyo metemegera na mwitemegeri ndora ya ikihoha. Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Maina Kehumo.